In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete deleted files in OneDrive. If you've ever been in a situation where you've deleted files from your OneDrive, but are concerned they're not entirely gone, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the straightforward process of making sure those files are removed once and for all. Let's start by navigating to the OneDrive main page, where you'll notice a variety of options on the left sidebar. Among these options, you should see one labeled Recycle Bin. This is where your deleted files go, akin to the recycling bin on your computer, serving as a temporary holding area for files you might want to restore later. However, if you're certain you want these files gone for good, the next steps are crucial in ensuring permanent deletion. Go ahead and click on the Recycle Bin option in the left sidebar. This action will bring up a list of all the files that you have previously deleted. It's essentially a safety net provided by OneDrive to allow users to recover files within a certain period if needed. But as we're focusing on permanent deletion today, let's proceed to the next step. Now, once you're in the recycle bin, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options or Actions button. You'll typically find this icon at the top right of the file list, providing a range of additional actions you can perform on your deleted files. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, allowing you to manage your files more comprehensively. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Delete option. Choosing this option confirms that you intend to permanently erase the files from your OneDrive storage. It is important to note that once this action is taken, the files will be irretrievable, so make sure you've double-checked that these are files you no longer need. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision, providing a final chance to change your mind or proceed. After confirming your intent to delete, OneDrive will begin the process of permanently removing these files from your storage. This action helps free up space and ensures that any sensitive or unnecessary data is securely eradicated. It's a valuable step in helping maintain an organized and efficient cloud storage environment, keeping your digital space clean and clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully learnt how to permanently delete files from the OneDrive Recycle bin. By following these steps, you can ensure that once a file is deleted, it's really gone, providing you with peace of mind and a streamlined digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.